You're so big. You're so big. What's up guys, my name is Libby. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I am going to do an unboxing of my Influenster VoxBox, Boscia. I don't know, I'm gonna link this skincare down below. I'm not really sure how you pronounce it. I guess I probably should have figured that out before I did this video, but I've never heard of this brand before. It seems to be it's all plant-based. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so. I do put out new videos every Thursday and then a bonus video throughout the week. I already uploaded my bonus video for this week, so I'm gonna link that down in the description below too if you guys have not checked that out yet. So yeah, let's get right on into the video. I did get sent a moisturizer and it's supposed to be really good for dry skin, and you guys know if you've been watching my videos, I do have pretty dry to normal skin, so I'm really excited to try this out and to see if it actually is a product that is going to help my dryness. If it is, and I like it, I'm definitely going to be purchasing it again. So yeah, this is just going to be a little first impressions video on that. Okay, so I have on my face makeup that I put on this morning at 6 a.m. before I went to work. And this is usually the time of day where you see the most dry patches in my skin. I actually think my skin looks pretty good for, you know, having my makeup on all day and not moisturizing or doing anything for the past 12 hours. It's 7 p.m. right now when I'm filming, so 13 hours. When I wake up, my skin is pretty dry, and then I'll wash my face and put on moisturizer, or sometimes I just don't even wash my face. Actually, most mornings I don't wash my face, I just put moisturizer on. But that's gonna be when my skin is the most dry, and then the second time of day where my skin is the most dry is after I've had my makeup on all day, and you just kind of can tell, you know, it's something that, you know, if it's something on your face or on your body, you're gonna know about it. Other people might not notice it or see it, but I can see it, but you might not be able to see it. So let me show you this box. So each VoxBox, I think it's VoxBox. Each VoxBox kind of comes in this little box. It has Influenster on the side, and the packaging is really just geared towards whatever brand they're sending you. It's customized to each brand. So if you guys watched my how to get free makeup video, I will link it up here at some point during this video, but I got the Laura Mercier foundation, concealer, and the translucent setting powder, and so that box looks completely different from this one. I don't remember what it looked like. I don't still have it. It says implants we believe, and then you can see right here, this is the brand of skincare. I've never personally heard of it. That's what I think is great about Influencer, is you can get exposed to products and try out products that you've never heard of before. So let's go ahead and open this. I'm gonna open it towards the camera. So I have not opened this yet. Oh, it's just a plain box. The Laura Mercier one, you opened it and it was someone's face with lips and makeup on and stuff, so I thought there was gonna be something exciting. That's why I opened it towards the camera. It did come with this little card. It just says good, clean, fun. And then it just has all their social media right there. So then, yeah, we've got some tissue paper in here. Okay, so this is the Cactus Water Moisturizer. This is the box it comes in. I believe that this is the full, the large size, or the normal size. I don't think this is a travel size or anything like that. The top says, feel the fun. Oh, feel the fun. And then I think it says something in a different language, maybe. Can you even see that? It's kind of engraved or something. It says all of the good, none of the bad. Botanical science, combo to oily skin, sensitive skin. It's gluten-free, preservative-free, artificial fragrance, and color-free. Let's see. So I'll just go ahead and read you what it says on the side here. Juicy, ultra hydrating moisturizer infused with the Queen of Night cactus succulent that gives thirsty skin a burst of deep hydration. Peptide complex leaves skin feeling plump and bouncy while helping to improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles for visibly younger looking skin. So to use, it just says use the provided spatula or fingertips, scoop onto the fingers, and apply liberally on cleansed and toned skin. Can be used morning, night, alone, or under makeup. Rinse spatula after each use. Okay, so it says it can be used at any time of day. Apparently it comes with a little spatula, and it says to use on cleansed skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wash my face real quick, and I'll be right back to apply this. Alright guys, I'm back. I just finished washing my face. I used the oil-free Acne Wash Pink Grapefruit Neutrogena face wash. It also comes, they have like an exfoliating scrub. I use the exfoliating scrub in the shower. I just think like when you use it in the shower, it's like easier to wash off. And then I use this like at night or like whenever I want to wash my face outside of the shower. In my opinion, this is a really drying face wash, which you would think, oh, why are you using that? You have dry skin. And I'm like, yeah, I know, but I really like the smell of it, so back off. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get into this. So I'm gonna open this box, this Boscia Cactus Water Moisturizer. I'm doing everything so slowly. Ooh, I really like this. Okay, so this is the packaging. It's super simple. It's like a sea foam green container. This is what the inside looks like. This is the, oh, this is weird. This is the spatula, but it's like rubber, but like hard rubber, you know? It's not like rubber that you can bend, but like feels like rubber on the outside. I feel like it's gonna feel like really cool when I apply it to my face. I'm just gonna open this and start putting it on my face. All right, I don't really know what to expect. Oh, it's weird. It's like, what is that stuff? It's, you know that stuff that you put on your chest when you have a cold? What is that stuff called? And it smells like really minty and really like icy. I don't know what that's called, but that's kind of like what the consistency is of this. I'm just gonna do this. Okay, so I guess you're supposed to pick up a lot. Oh, this is weird. This is weird. Just like the outside of the container, it's basically like a seafoam green color. I don't really know. I don't want to like, I guess less is more, right? So I don't want that much. Okay, I'm just gonna apply just a little baby guy. Oh, it's so cold. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Woo! Woo! Okay, it's really cold. I think I'm gonna massage it in with my fingers. So I use the little spatula to like apply it. Okay, I think I'm just gonna massage it now. Whoa, this is so weird. It's like jelly. Whoa. I wonder, like, it doesn't sting, but it kind of feels like, I don't know, if you had like an open pimple or something on your face that it would kind of sting. That's what it feels like. Like I said, it doesn't sting right now, but that's just what it feels like. It feels like almost like the product that they use on your face when you're getting a facial or a massage. It doesn't smell like anything. Like if you don't like smell, you'll probably like this because this doesn't smell like anything. And I'm still like massaging it into my skin, so that means it doesn't dry down right away. I'm definitely interested to see how long it will take to completely absorb into my skin. Okay, now it is completely on. It doesn't feel like heavy or anything. I think I would describe it as lighter than a lotion. So if you are someone that puts lotion on their face, you're someone like me who does that, it feels like a lot lighter than that. When I first put it on my face, it's really cooling. Now, I got this in the mail a day ago, 2 days ago, and if I haven't specifically said before, I did get this product for free from the Influenster app, just as a quick disclaimer, but I did get the package a couple days ago now, and it's been like 90 degrees outside, so it was probably sitting out there, and then it's been sitting in my room, so it's not like it was in a cold environment, but as soon as I put it on my face, it was really cooling, and I like that in a face product or something. So if you don't like when something touches your face and it's really cold, you might not like this. Okay, I think it is completely dried down now. It feels like not tacky, but I feel like this would be a really good face primer for makeup. I'm not gonna put any makeup on right now. Maybe I'll test that out later. It's kind of like, it's not sticky, but I don't know if this is like a good description, but when I slide my hands down my face, it's not like smooth, you know, they're kind of like sticking. I think that's a really bad way to describe it, but I don't really know how else to describe this. It's like not tacky, not sticky, but it's like something in between. Like it feels like a face primer. Like I feel like if I put makeup on right now, the makeup would stay on. So you guys, let me know, have you ever heard of this brand? I'm not sure, I have not really like looked into it much. I'm not sure if it's makeup, if it's skincare. It seems like it's skincare because this is the moisturizer. I'm assuming this is what they're well known for. It's Boscia, B-O-S-C-I-A, and this is the Cactus Water Hydrating Cream. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have ever used this product. I'd love to hear how you use it. Do you use it like as a moisturizer at night? Do you use it as a primer for your makeup when you wake up in the morning? I feel feel like this would be something really good to put on in the morning just because, like I said, it's cooling. It would probably like really wake you up. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so. I do put out new videos every Thursday and the bonus video throughout the week. And you get to see Elsie, and why wouldn't you want to see Elsie? Because she's the best dog ever. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. My baby, you are doing well. Boscia. I think it's, or Boscia? I think it's Boscia. Oh god. Oh god.